How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi guys, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee affiliate program. Stick around a bit because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. The Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee. Whether you are a blogger, social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family, this program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront costs. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here is how the Shopee affiliate programs work. First, we have sign up. Head over to the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you're approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then share links. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Then we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Let's talk right now about benefits of joining the Shopee. So, why should you join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. First, we have no upfront investment. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Then we have wide range of products. With millions of products available, you have endless options to promote. Then we have flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Finally, we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher your earnings. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing links. The first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is sign up for the program. Here is how you can do it. First, you have to visit the Shopee affiliate program. So all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Shopee affiliate program. Click over here. Here we have some information about this Shopee affiliates. If you learn more, all you have to do is click over enter. As you can see, here we have if you have an account, all you have to do is put your phone number or your username or email, then you put your password, then you log in. But if you don't have an account, all you have to do is scroll down and click over here, sign up. You can also use Facebook or Google to sign up. Then you fill out the registration form with your personal details, such as your name, email address, and contact information. I read the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling all the required information, submit your application or dive into the homepage of Shopee. This is the homepage. As you can see, this is the homepage. Here are various tags, various products. As you can see, here we have login. If you have an account, you can find it by login. Also, if you don't have an account, all you have to do is sign up, then choose your language, English or other language. Here we have help, notification, follow us on Facebook, download, start selling, seller center. We have a lot of things. We have here promotions, we have here free, a lot of things. Then all you have to do is navigate, draw the various product categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then you choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. So here we have me. I'm athlete, I play basketball, so I will choose basketball. Like so now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the product on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blog posts, social media posts, YouTube video descriptions, email, newsletter, and more. Create compelling content when sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here is some example of how to share affiliate links. First, we have blog post by writing a detailed review of the products and included a affiliate link with in the post. We have also Instagram story, share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swipe up link to the product. Then we have YouTube video, user review video, and included the affiliate link in the video description and mentioned it in the video. Then we have some types of for success. To maximize your success with Shopee affiliate program, here are a few steps. First, we have promote products you love. Focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will come draw and make your recommendation more convincing. Leverage social media. We have use of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and create content that showcases the product effectively. Then we have create engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need these products in their lives. Optimize your links. We have used tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effective strategies. So that's all you need to know to get started with the Shopee affiliate program. By following these steps and tips, you can turn your passion for sharing great finds into a rewarding income stream. Ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make money online. That's all you need to know to get started with the Shopee affiliate program. By following these steps and tips, you can turn your passion for sharing good finds into a rewarding income stream. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.